User comfort and control are integral to DRYFT's design. At the core of DRYFT's ergonomics is S-Motion technology, delivering smooth, effortless movement. It reduces strain on the wrists, shoulders, and back while covering more floor with fewer passes, minimizing walking and repetitive movement and helping users maintain a natural posture. DRYFT's S-Handle offers multiple grip options and precise control, mounted on bearings with an offset design. It turns the cleaning head smoothly with a light touch, reducing strain during use. At just 7.3 kilograms, DRYFT reduces fatigue and improves comfort, while its carry handle, foot-activated transport modes, and integrated wheels make transport effortless. Unlike traditional machines that require mopping missed areas, DRYFT doesn't cut corners. Additional manual steps are reduced by combining the task into a single process, cleaning 100% of the floor without a mop.
DRYFT. From now.